Hi guys, I have to say goodbye to my sunflower now before Robert's bunutin from the ground. So, okay, so this one is, let's see if I could have, wala na talagang natirang na seeds ba yun? Um, ito, meron pang isang flower, pero wala na. Ayan, not even a seed, right? Yan, sige na bunutin. Bunutin na rin niya yan, oh. Babe, leave this one. There's one more, here. Ayan, naging bunot na. Kasi, wala na talaga na na yung... Tingnan natin kung mabunot to. Try natin magbunot. Ah! Oh my God. Hindi ko na kaya. It's not easy. Tama yan. It's not... Let's have your hair. Yan. Kasi wala na talaga. There's no seeds in there, right? No. Alright. Yes. I wanna get this, gunting. I just wanna keep that,
buto.